Welcome to the AIRISE SME Experiment Series. In this video, we'll explore how the SME, Engranajes Lorenzo, partnered with AIRISE in the OPTIMAI experiment to integrate AI into their processes.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the OPTIMAI experiment evaluation. We would like to ask some questions to the company. Could you start giving a brief overview of your company? What is your area of activity? What are the operations and which sector are you active?
We are a family-run SME located in Toledo, Spain, with over 3 decades of experience in precision gear manufacturing. Our clients are primarily in the automotive and industrial sectors, and we focus on delivering high-quality parts and components. As a small company, we've always been committed to staying competitive through innovation and technology-driven processes.
What specific challenges or pain points led you to explore AI solutions, and how did AIRISE come in the picture as a partner to resolve them?
Quality control. Manual inspection processes were slow and inconsistent. We saw AI as a way of automate defect detection and improve traceability, but lack in the in-house expertise. AIRISE gave us the structure, technical support, and confidence to pilot AI in a real production context. It was a key enabler for adopting AI safely and effectively.
Could you describe the main product or solution AIRISE helped you to implement, and what is the intended use, the business use and outcome?
The main solution we developed with AIRISE was an AI-powered planning module integrated into our existing shop floor management software. Its role is to help optimize production, scheduling, and resource allocation in real time. For us, the intended outcome was clear: better use of machine time, reduced lead times, and more flexibility when priorities or disruptions occur, which is increasingly important in our sector.
In the beginning of the project, which were your initial expectations from integrating AI into your processes and services? Can you tell about that?
We hope AI could help us improve our planning accuracy and decision making, especially in situations where we had to reschedule quickly or deal with unexpected changes. Our expectation from AIRISE was to test whether this kind of AI integration was viable for a small company like ours, both technically and organizationally, and whether it will give us measurable benefits.
What have been the most significant benefits to your company while using AI in terms of efficiency and overall business value? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, one of the key benefits has been the ability to generate planning scenarios automatically based on real-time constraints. So we now spend less time manually updating the plan, and we can respond more quickly to changes on the floor directly. It's made our planning more dynamic and aligned with actual capacity, which improves efficiency and delivery reliability.
Can you share any specific examples on how AI has enhanced your operations in decision-making or customer service?
Yes, before adjusting a plan due to a machine breakdown or last-minute order meant going through speed sheets and juggling resources manually, now the AI system proposes adjusted plans almost instantly, taking into account workload, delivery deadlines, and available resources. That's helped us reduce overtime, improve on-time delivery, and free up time for other kinds of tasks.
What were some of the anticipated challenges you expected during AI implementation? And were there any foreseen obstacles that arose during the project? What happened in the experiment? Can you tell us about it?
Yes, we expected that integrating an AI system into an existing planning workflow might be technically demanding, especially given our limited internal IT resources. What we hadn't fully anticipated was the cultural challenge getting operators and planners to trust the system's recommendation, because there is always some hesitation when algorithms start influencing production decisions.
How did the AIRISE team help you to address these challenges, and what strategies or tools were most effective in overcoming them? Were they specific tools which...
The AIRISE team helped us break the challenge down into manageable phases. They guided us through the initial scoping, helped define realistic KPIs, and encouraged us to involve our planning team early in the process. That co-creation approach made adoption much easier. The mentoring we received on explainable AI and usability also helped us adapt the tool so that the people using it understood and how and why it made suggestions.
Which specific services or tools provided by AIRISE were most useful, and how did they contribute to the success of the AI initiative?
For us, the most valuable part of AIRISE was the personalized mentoring. As an SME, we don't have in-house AI experts, so having access to external advisors who could translate technical concepts into practical steps was critical. They help us structure the implementation, define clear use cases, and evaluate results against our operational needs. The support, team templates, and reporting tools here and measure progress without overwhelming our team.
Looking forward, what are your future expectations regarding continued use of AI in your company? And do you see that AIRISE has any long-term goal and contribution to that? What is your view on that? Can you tell us?
Okay, so this project was our first hands-on experience with AI, and it's shown us that these technologies are not just for large companies. We now see tools integrate into other areas, like predictive maintenance or cost estimation. AIRISE help us to take that first step with confidence, and would like to stay connected to this ecosystem, to learn from others and continue adapting digital solutions that fit the scale and reality of SMEs just like ours.
Has your perspective on AI changed since partnering with AIRISE? And what advice would you give to other businesses considering AI consulting services? Lessons learned?
Our view of AI has definitely changed. At first, we saw it as something distant, complex, costly, maybe even out of our reach for a company like ours. Through AIRISE, we realized it can be practical, approachable, and very relevant to the daily problems we face. My advice to other SMEs is don't be afraid to explore it with the right guidance and a concrete use case. AI can become a real lever and competitiveness, not just a buzzword.
If you would describe your AI journey with AIRISE in one word or sentence, what would it be and why? Can you tell us?
Yes, to us it was eye-opening because it showed us that AI isn't just for the giants, as I said before. It's something that can genuinely improve how we work, even in a traditional manufacturing environment like ours.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the innovative experiments of the AIRISE project. To stay updated and learn more about our journey, subscribe to our social media channels and visit our website at airise.eu. Together, let's shape the future of AI in manufacturing. This project is funded by the European Union